In this video, I'm going to show you how to open up a new TikTok account. So go ahead and download TikTok, of course, and then install it on your phone. Once you're here, you can go over to the Me tab all the way at the bottom on the right-hand side and click on your profile icon. That will bring you to a page that looks like this. Profile at the top, and of course it says sign up. Click on sign up. Now, if you already have a TikTok account, they will be listed there. You can also add an existing account that you have created perhaps on the website. And if you don't already have an account, you can go ahead and sign up for an account by clicking on the red sign up button down at the bottom of the screen. You can sign up with TikTok using your phone or email. You can also continue with Facebook, and you can choose a Google email address to sign up with. We will go with Google. Then you can choose from which Google address you would like to sign up with. So just for example, I will go ahead and sign up with this other Google address that I have. Now you can go ahead and create a username. It will pick one randomly that is available, but you can customize it by using the back arrow and then just typing out what you would like it to say. If it's available, it will give you a green check mark. If it's not, it will tell you this username is not available. When it's available, there's the green check mark. You can go ahead and click on the red box that says sign up. Now you have a TikTok account where you can go ahead and start choosing favorites. You can click on the hearts for likes, you can send messages, and you can share. To scroll through different videos, all you have to do is just swipe, and you can check out some of the other things that are available for you to like. If you do decide that you like something, click on the heart, and you can even follow something by clicking on the plus sign right there by the person who created the video, for instance. So we can follow them, for example. Now we are following them. So if we go over to our following page, we will then start to see posts from them. I hope this video helped you out on how to set up your TikTok account. It is super easy. If you want more tutorials on what to do next with TikTok, for sure, go ahead and check out the playlist on the screen. Thanks for watching. Take care.